Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the p2147 code, don't ignore it, because this code is related to your fuel injector power supply system. And if this system fails, your engine performance will drop immediately. P2147 stands for Fuel Injector Group, a supply voltage circuit low. In simple words, the ECU is detecting low voltage in injector group a circuit. That means injectors are not getting enough power to work properly. And when injectors don't get proper voltage, fuel delivery becomes weak. Now understand this carefully. Fuel injectors control fuel spraying into engine cylinders. They need stable voltage to open and close at the correct time. If voltage drops, fuel injection becomes inaccurate, and engine combustion gets affected. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2147, you may notice: check engine light on, engine misfire, rough idle or shaking engine, poor acceleration response, hard starting condition, reduced fuel economy, engine hesitation during driving, and in severe cases, engine feels underpowered or uneven. Now location very important. Fuel injectors are located on the fuel rail. This fuel rail is mounted on the intake manifold or cylinder head. Group refers to a specific set of injectors controlled by ECU. The injector wiring harness runs through the engine bay, and this area is exposed to heat, vibration, oil, and moisture. Injector fuse and relay are usually located in the engine fuse box. Now, most common causes. In real-world diagnosis, P2147 is usually caused by blown injector fuse, faulty injector relay, damaged or broken wiring harness, loose or corroded injector connectors, faulty fuel injector, or ECU driver circuit issue in rare cases. Quick diagnosis steps: start by scanning for additional injector-related codes. Then check injector fuse and relay in the engine fuse box. Inspect wiring harness carefully for damage or melted insulation. Check injector connectors for corrosion or looseness. Use a multimeter to verify proper voltage at injector terminals. If voltage is low, the issue is in wiring or power supply. Repair process: repair damaged wiring first. Replace blown fuse or faulty relay, clean corroded connectors properly. Replace faulty injector if required. Clear the code from ECU and perform a full road test. Estimated repair cost: fuse is very cheap, relay is low cost, wiring repair is medium cost, injector replacement is expensive, and ECU repair is rare and costly. Final result: fixing P2147 will restore proper fuel delivery. Engine will run smooth again, misfires will stop, and fuel efficiency will return to normal. If this video helped, subscribe IG Garage and comment your car model for more diagnostic help.